spice is nutty, flavorful, and has the ability to make any grilled meat or vegetable taste great. And this is cheaper and healthier when you make it from the very comfort of your home. Today, let me show you the easy steps involved. I'm Nancy Ogbebo, and you are definitely welcome to my channel. So let's dive right into the preparation. Here is what you will need to make suya spice mix. And on my list, I have my Negro pepper, also known as Uda, seasoning powder, salt, kuli, cayenne pepper, and ginger and garlic powder. Kuli is best, but you can use roasted peanuts where kuli is not available. Okay, so I'll be putting in my kuli into my nylon bag or a Ziploc bag, and this kuli was so strong that I ended up using my mortar to make it easier for my blender, and I blended this kuli till smooth. So here is my red chili flakes, and I'll be adding in my Negro pepper to it. And I'll go ahead to blend this till smooth. Okay, so I'm going to be blending my Negro pepper and my chili flakes till it is smoothly blended. Okay, so here I have my kuli blended already, and I'll be adding in my chili flakes, salt, my ginger and garlic powder, and my seasoning powder. So we're going to be giving this a quick mix. Please make sure your bowl, spoon, and the container you're going to be putting this in is dried. Make sure you don't use a wet container for this. Okay, so I went ahead to blend the mixture again. Let everything combine together. Alright, so you sieve the suya spice blend, and this is what you get. Please, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section what you feel about this video, and this can last you up to 3 months. So just put this in an airtight container, and you can use this suya recipe for jollof rice, grilled fish, fried egg, and vegetable. See you in my next one. Bye.